there! In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional PDF invoice, add a PDF download link to your Shopify order confirmation email, and make the invoice available in your customer portal. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we'll create a complete invoice workflow for a Shopify store. First, we'll build our invoice template. Next, we'll add a PDF download link to the order confirmation email. Then we'll add the PDF document to the customer portal so customers can download it whenever they need it. Finally, we test the complete workflow. Let's start with the invoice template. From PDF Builder Invoices, open Manage Templates and create a new template. Give the template a name. For this example, I'll call it Standard Invoice. Now we can start building the invoice. First, we can configure the basic document settings. We can change the document label, enter the file name, choose the paper size and page orientation, set the text direction, and adjust the margins. Then the template builder lets us add the information we want to display on the PDF. We can add customer details, order information, product information, totals, tax information, and other document fields. The important part here is that these aren't just static text fields. We can use dynamic fields to automatically pull information from Shopify and from each order. For seller and shop information, you don't need to manually type everything into the template. You can configure your business information in the app settings and then use the corresponding dynamic fields here. Now let's add the shop logo. We will delete the logo dynamic field and drag the image element here. Then we'll double-click the image element to upload the logo file. Click here to quickly adjust the size. We have the logo, so we will delete the shop name. Click to this and choose the trust icon. There are two phone number fields, so we delete one of them. We can also customize the text color to match the store's branding. Apply orange color to the text, Ship to and Build to. We will make some minor edits to this text. Let's go to the items table. We will hide the SKU code. If everything looks good, save the template and have a preview. Now let's set up the email. Instead of making customers search for their invoice, we can add a PDF download link directly to the Shopify order confirmation email. Under Email Automation, select Send via Shopify. Here we can choose the document that customer will be able to download. We can also customize the download button appears in the email. We can change the link label, customize the PDF file name to the button color and text color, adjust the corner radius and select the alignment. Once the button looks the way we want, scroll down and copy the generated snippet. Next, click Edit Template Code. This will take us to the Shopify order confirmation email template. Find the email body section. Paste the snippet where you want the dollar button to appear, and then save the template. Now the order confirmation email will include a PDF download button for the invoice. The email gives customers the convenient way to access their invoice immediately, but customers may need the invoice again later. That's why PDF Builder Invoices also lets us make the document available through the customer portal. Let's set that up now. Go to Settings, Customer Portal. First, we can customize the button label that customers will see. We'll use Invoices and Documents. Next, choose the document customers can download. Now we need to add the PDF document block to Shopify's customer-facing page. Open Shopify's checkout editor. Select the Thank You page. Under the Order Details section, click Add Block and select PDF Documents. Once the block is added, customers will see their available PDF document directly on the Thank You page after completing their order. We can also make the document available from the customer's account. In the Customer Account Editor, add the Download PDF Documents block to the Orders Actions section. Now, when customers open one of their previous order, they'll see the dollar button and can access their invoice whenever they need it. So, now we have a complete PDF invoice workflow. Let's test everything. First, open the storefront. We'll select a product and proceed to checkout. Fill in the information. The order has been placed, and as you can see, the $PDF invoice button is displayed directly on the Thank You page. Now let's open the order confirmation email. Here we can see the PDF download link we added to the Shopify order confirmation email. Let's click it and open the invoice. Or click on View Your Order button to see the invoice in the customer account. Finally, let's open the customer's order history. When we open the order, we can see the PDF download option here as well. And that's how you can create, deliver, and manage PDF invoices with PDF Builder Invoices for Shopify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.